Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 20 minutes. Really quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that this is a situation where I'm recording myself, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time, compared to having already recorded everything, and now I'm coming back and explaining what's already happened in hindsight. So this is not a trade recap. This is not some sort of post commentary. I'm recording myself, seeing everything for the first time. So in other words, if you just want an unscripted, raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. So I will go ahead and pause for now. Maybe a pre-market trade. I'm not expecting anything right now, but still got about 20 minutes for that to maybe change. But if nothing does happen, then I'll just be back at the open. I'm going to go ahead and try to pick up some puts there. And all out there for $575 in about 2 minutes. No, I was not going to say, well, yes, 2 minutes from the start of the open because it's 9:32 a.m. But that whole trade lasted 8 seconds. And you can see that right there. Time right there. 8 seconds, $575. The markets are a crazy, crazy place. Crazy place. Been doing this for almost 2 decades, and I almost sit here speechless. And I've been doing these live trades for a long time, so it takes quite a bit to make me speechless, but still amazes me. 8 seconds, I just made $575. What in the world? That is crazy. So I'm still just watching it here, but... And to explain what happened, that was an options trade, depending on how much of a beginner you are. And I bought some puts, and I needed the price to just come down a little bit. It came down a little bit, and that's all I needed to put, like you just saw, the $575 in my pocket in 8 seconds. And like I said, right there, it shows the times. So got filled at 9:32 and 23 seconds, got out at 9:32 and 31 seconds. So 8 seconds there. Just looking around the market, seeing what else. NVIDIA. Let's go over. I'd rather do this. 215. Let me get that alerted. NVIDIA. 215. Flush point. 215. Want to protect these gains here. Maybe I should just be done. I mean, call it a 5-minute day. In fact, that sounds really good. A 5-minute work day. Yeah, what? Am I not happy with that? I mean, what kind of greedy savage wouldn't be happy with $575 in 8 seconds and then just be able to call it good? So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna call this good. I know I have lots of videos that are pretty long, but you know what? Today went very smooth, and if you watch past videos, you know that some days are not exactly smooth. They're choppy. They're not exactly pleasant, and I don't make $575 in them. But some mornings are just super smooth, where you make $575 in 8 seconds. So I want to be very clear that this is not something that I want you to show up and think is going to happen every single day. I don't want you to think that any of this is easy. Trading is very difficult. It's very challenging. It takes dedication. It takes passion. Yes, it's a two-sided coin. However, this does also happen, and there's the break right there. But anyways, like I said, I'll take what I've had. But so let me be very clear. Again, this doesn't happen all the time. I wish it did, but it doesn't. So if this is like your first video you've watched of mine, then watch some other ones, because you'll see some where it's like pulling teeth. I'm struggling. It's like a boxing match. I'm winning trades, losing trades. And, you know, some of those after, you know, a big old, grind, a big old kind of slugfest, I'm sitting there maybe having lost some money, maybe having gained some money. But here it was $575 in 8 seconds. Oh, I wish every morning could be that smooth. If only that's how it worked all the time. But it worked out here, and that's why ultimately you got to just manage risk. You got to keep yourself in the game. You got to survive so that ultimately you're able to thrive and have moments like this. But moments like this are only possible if you keep yourself in the game. So again, that is why risk management is so important. But so yeah, there we go. $575, 8 seconds, basically a 5-minute work day. I guess 6 minutes now, but point being, very smooth. Nice to see some nice little scalpy action there that was presented a good little opportunity. If you enjoy these live trade videos, then do a couple things for me. Hit that like button, leave a comment below, say hi, give me an emoji. Let me know what you traded today. Tell me, but those two things communicate to me that you enjoy these live videos, because they're not easy to make. I have to talk to you. I have to make alerts to the chat room. I have to think about my own trades. I have to manage my own trades. So there's a ton of stuff going on. So they're difficult, which is why I don't make them every day, but I will keep making them as long as I know that you are enjoying them. And again, you can communicate that enjoyment to me by hitting that like button and leaving a simple comment down below. So everybody take care, have a good one. And yeah, realize that the market is a beautiful place. It can definitely present some awesome opportunities like today, but also you got to respect it, because some mornings it's definitely not this smooth, but no doubt about it, this morning was definitely a smooth morning, and I'm moving on with my day. Everybody take care, have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.